Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on map reading part 2. This is a continuation of a previous video on map reading. A good map should have the necessary axes, a compass, and a legend explaining the main features of the map. Most maps should have some sort of title and a scale to show distances between places. So here is the title. That's the legend explaining some of the places. There's your compass. And here we've got the scale. Okay, so basically from there to there represents 1 kilometer. And then you've got your axes. Okay, you've got your 2 main axes. So all the main features are there. Answer the following questions for example 1. What are the coordinates of the lake? Now, if we start, for example, here, that's not a bad starting point, just that corner there. Okay, now the lake is here, so remember you do the horizontal coordinate first. So we have 5D. So that's the answer. True or false? The lake is south of Cherry Street. So here's the lake, and there's Cherry Street. Now let's focus on Cherry Street. The lake is in this direction going down, and we know when we go down, by looking at the compass, you go down. That is south, so that's true. What direction is Oak Street from the fire station? Now the fire station, if we look at the legend, is this one here. There is Oak Street in that direction, so if that's the fire station, you go up to Oak Street, and that must be north. True or false? The store is northwest of the lake. Now look at the legend, there's the store, which is that one. Here's the lake. Okay, so if we pretend the lake is in the middle of the compass, and we go in that direction, which is where the store is, that is northwest, and that is true. Here's another map, and we have some questions. Question number 1. What direction is the chest from the pirate? Now that's the chest there, and that's the pirate, so let's find those on the map. There's the chest, and there's the pirate. So let's focus on the pirate, and the answer is, what direction is the chest from the pirate? And if the pirate was there in the middle and you moved in that direction, that would be northeast. What direction is the lake from the chest? Focus on the chest, move in that direction there. So if that was the chest and you moved in that direction there, that would be southwest. Number 3, how far is the chest from the yacht to the nearest kilometer? Now that's where we use our scale. So if we use that scale, here is the chest, here is the yacht. So to the nearest kilometer it is 3 kilometers. It's not 4, that would be too far away. So to the nearest, it's not exact, but to the nearest kilometer it is 3 kilometers. Here's another simple map. It's called Smiley Face Map, and there's our compass for directions. Number 1, what is the position at C2? Sorry, what is at position C2? So if we go to C2, we have to find out what is there. Alright, so you can start from here, so it doesn't matter which corner, so that could be a good starting line. So we go horizontal first, C2, and that's the smiley face. What direction is the smiley face from the red oval? So there's the red oval, there's the smiley face. So if we're moving in that direction there, which is that direction there, it's northeast. What direction is the green triangle from the red oval? Okay, so from the red oval, there is the green triangle. If you move in that direction there, that is southeast. Number 4, what position is the sun? Now let's find the sun. Here it is here. We go to the start. B5. So B5 is where the sun is. What is north of the green triangle? So there's the green triangle there. So if we go north, which is that direction there, what do we see? The blue circle. So they're just a few basic questions on the directions of the compass, and also some coordinates too, which we saw in a previous video.